Hello and welcome to Nidhi's Creative Zone. Today I am going to share with you sweet dish recipe. For this, here I have taken besan or gram flour, and here I have taken two types of gram flour or besan just to show you. This is the fine besan or gram flour, as you can see here by the texture, and when you are spreading it, it became little shiny. So this is the first type of besan, and this is the second type of besan. It is slightly grainy and it's not super fine. So we are going to use this type of besan in our recipe. As you can see, this is slightly grainy in texture, and when I am spreading it like this, it does not become shiny. So these are the two types of besan. I will show you one more time, and when I am spreading it, it became shiny. So for this recipe, we need slightly grainy texture of besan or gram flour. Now into the kadhai, switch on the gas on low flame and add 2 cups of gram flour or besan. After adding the besan, you have to dry roast it for about 7 to 8 minutes or until it slightly change its color on low flame. Make sure to stir it on low flame, otherwise it will start burning from the bottom. After 8 minutes, you will notice the color of the besan is slightly changed and it starts releasing the aroma. And then add half cup of clarified butter or ghee, and now on the low flame mix everything. It will take little bit time, but you have to continuously stir it. Stirring is the key to prepare this dish. So once you have finished mixing the ghee with the besan, this is how it looks like. After mixing the ghee, you will notice the mixture is slightly dry. After mixing the ghee, you have to roast it for another 6 to 7 minutes or until it starts releasing the strong aroma of besan. And after 8 minutes, you will notice it starts gathering and releasing the ghee from the besan. That is the indication that the besan is properly roasted. At this point, you have to switch off the gas. After that, add dry fruits of your choice. I am using here kharbuja bees or melon seeds. Add it. Make sure to add the melon seeds after you have switched off the gas and the besan is still hot. Give it a quick mix and roast it for about a minute. After that, remove it from the gas and let it slightly cool down, that you can handle it with your hands, and then I will show you. Now it's been 10 minutes, it's slightly cooled down. I have removed this from the gas, and now I am going to add 2 cups of sugar. This is granulated sugar, or you can say bura. You can find this in any grocery store outside India under the name of granulated sugar. And make sure when you are adding the sugar, the besan is not to be very hot, otherwise it starts melting. So it needs to be warm only. And after mixing the sugar into the besan mixture, just take a small lemon size portion from this mixture and start rolling it tightly as I am showing you here, and roll it in between your palm. And as you are rolling and pressing, it forms into the ball, as you can see here. And this is the first besan laddu ready. You have seen how easy it is. Now place it into the plate, and if you feel the mixture is little bit dry, just add 1 or 2 tablespoons of melted ghee or butter and then add it into this mixture. Basically the mixture needs to be in the binding consistency, and similar way I am going to make rest of the laddus. So here I have prepared all the besan laddus, as you have seen how easy it is to prepare. And this is the closure view of the laddus. As you can see, this is perfectly bind and the sweetness is perfect, but if you want, you can add little less granulated sugar into this. And hope you like this recipe. When you are preparing these besan laddus, just take the granulated besan, meaning not the fine besan. If you are using the fine besan, the result is not the same. And when you are adding the sugar, make sure the besan is warm, not too hot, and then you will get the perfect consistency. And second thing, you have to roast it on the low flame, and total roasting time is about 20 minutes or depending upon the quantity. And this is my mom's recipe, so I thought of sharing it with you. And if you like this recipe of besan laddu, then don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you. Thanks for watching.